The next topic is wireless media. Wireless communication has extraordinary convenience. The technology is expanding to offer better option for wireless network. There are three basic types of wireless network. The first one is the wireless LAN, that is one or more wireless network. Extended LAN, that is a wireless connection between two LANs. Mobile computing, a mobile machine connecting to homes network. Wireless media, it's for the name as treated without wire, which is connected the devices in networking. Wireless network are useful in following situation: space where cabling is impossible, for example lobbies, older buildings, historical buildings. So next point is people who move around a lot in area work, doctors, administration, etc. And then third one, temporary installation, to set temporary network that will be soon relocated. Fourth one is the satellite officers, ships in ocean, terms in remote field that need to be connected to main office. These are the useful situation which is used in wireless network. Wireless LAN can use one of the transmission method. First one is the infrared, laser light, narrow band radio, microwave. In infrared transmission, infrared rays are used. This is similar to that operating TV with remote. This is the limited within the 100 feet up to 10 megabits bandwidth can be supported. These are the infrared, which is just like the TV remote, which is connected to the remote, which is oftenly handle the TV's channel. Okay, the second point is the in laser transmission, laser rays are used. This can be used for LAN and WAN transmission. The receiver and transmitter are in state of sight. In laser light, laser rays are used in LAN and WAN also. In narrowband radio transmission, that is a single frequency is used for transmission. The range of narrowband is greater than infrared. The receiver and transmitter need not to put a long direct line of sight. Then the fourth one is the microwave technology. Microwave technology has a application in all wireless network. Microwave communication can take on two form. First one is the ground link, that is terrestrial, and satellite link. In terrestrial microwave communication, the transmitter and receiver are earth based. The frequency used in low gigahertz. Telephone relays tower uses the type of communication. The frequency used are 4 to 6 gigahertz and 21 to 23 gigahertz. Satellite microwave system uses the communication satellite. Satellite are 22,300 miles above the earth. It remains located at fixed point on the earth. The earth station uses satellite dishes to communicate with the satellite. This satellite then transmits signal in narrow or broad beams. When destination is on opposite side of earth, it may relay signal to another satellite. So the next topic is satellite links operate in low gigahertz range, that is 11 to 14 gigahertz. Cost involved are extremely high and usually distributed along many users. Any bandwidth can be purchased. Data rates are 1 to 10 megabits per second. Attenuation depends on frequency, power and atmospheric condition. Microwave signals are sensitive to EMI. These are the these are the wireless LAN can use one of the transmission method. These are the methods: laser, infrared, laser, narrowband radio, microwave. The in board examination question will be asked, wireless LAN how can be used in what are the transmission method in wireless LANs. So you can explain the 4 methods. First one is, these are the points. The first point is the infrared, second is the laser, third one is the narrow band radio, and fourth one is the microwave. Microwave consists of the two form, that is the terrestrial link and satellite link. That is terrestrial link means ground link. Please note down these 4 methods of transmission method in wireless LAN. The question is asked, it's very important. The next topic is the network topology. Network topology is a map of network. It is a plan for how the cabling will interconnect the nodes or device, and how nodes will function in relation to one another. Before understanding the different topologies, let's first understand the access method. Network topology, it is a logical arrangement which is the devices which is connected from one place to another without or with wire cabling. These are the network topologies. But for some different topologies we explain, but some basic components which is used in network topologies are as follows.